Bed.
I mean,
A big bed party.
it's a.
Pick your roommate out.
My bed is like not even a queen. I think my bed is just a full.
We'll just stack on top of each other.
Sounds like fun.
I get the bottom.
It'll be warm and save the heating bill.
Right.
Holy smokes.
Well, that's why the stick clip, I guess.
Yep. The yip.
Yeah.
The yip clip.
There's a nice little monopod there. Yep.
Oh, that's real good.
I feel like that 10A was like a good warm up. Like the other 10As we've been on, like
Yeah,
it's been pretty intense.
I agree. That 10A was really good. You found that foot after that lip a lot faster than Ricky and I.
Which after the first anchor?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was, I was like, oh dang. Like the hole's ringing out.
Yep. I was like, but it's 10A, there's got to be some sequence.
But yeah, then I was like gonna step up on the right, and then I looked at my left and I saw a pretty big foot. Is that the one you're talking about?
Yeah. Pretty sure.
Everything else is like pretty big for me. Nice.
Yeah.
There's like stick clips along the clip on too. There's another one over here. There was like one when we first came up.
Oh yeah, I figured that was Jerome's. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Do. Yeah, I think my skin is starting to get used to the sharpness too.
Yeah, I didn't really feel it when I first bond. Definitely shed some skin being home for a few.
Yeah.
Unless we get sandpaper on.
Let's carry around some emery boards.